collections. If your buddy asks, you better give him directions to the contract. As a matter of fact, devs buybacks are no need to panic attack.
Hello guys, how are you doing today? Thank you for coming back into the channel. On today's video, we are gonna do an update on all the giveaways that are happening right now across all social platforms with Shiryo, and we're gonna take a look about the state of the market because as you already may notice, it is not doing that great, and we are gonna take a look why this is happening. So let's hold that subject for a minute before getting into that, because I wanna mention this special giveaway that I'm really liking, and that is the Flate Creatives giveaway. I mean, it is really great because the only limitation for you to be able to participate on that, it is your imagination, because you can create a photograph, you can do a drawing, you can do some clay work, I don't know. And as you already may notice, we have a new song for the intro of the channel, and that is not a casualty because a couple of community members actually composed that song, and I think that is really awesome. It is definitely a runner-up for me. So you have to actually come with your best game because the community members are doing some amazing stuff. And actually, I got it right here. So let's listen to it for a couple of seconds.
Liquidity's locked and loaded, white papers downloaded, and the game is done and coded. Summon monsters, play to earn, pay to win. Just minted my founders pack, let's begin. Let's take a spin, brand new Lambo, 50K holders, and we bout to blow. Shiryo, nobody else can do it better. Jordan Fung is way too clever. On a Shiryo rocket, we pocket reflections, mint avatars to add to our collections.
So I'm gonna leave it there in the background running, but this is the JX and Iron Wolfpack Commando song, and I think that is really great. And I'm gonna leave the link right down in the description so you can take a look by yourself. And what about the other giveaways? Right now we have my Twitter giveaway. If you haven't seen it yet, I mean, the only thing that you have to do is to go to my profile, follow me and Shiryo Official, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment a meme down below. I mean, it is really easy, and you will be able to win 3 Founders Pack. So we have something close to 72 participants. I mean, I assume that is not 72 actually, because some of the comments actually are not memes, but I mean, it is okay for me. They have posted several good ones, so it is really funny. I'm really liking it. We have Nico's giveaway. Actually, it is the same dynamic, and the only difference is that you have to actually tag as many people as you can on the comment section. So we have a lot of people actually participating, and this is something really awesome. As well, we have Chris's right giveaway, and the only thing different that you have to do is to actually comment with the hashtag Shiryo as well. So this is something really great because I mean, on all of them, if you participate on all of them and for some reason you win them all, you will be able to win up to 9 Founders Pack just commenting, subscribing, and following us. So that is something really amazing, and that is not it. Actually, as you already know, we have this giveaway on this channel, and we are really close to actually achieve the 500 subscriber threshold. So subscribe to this channel right now. And that is not the only thing, there's more. We have on the Spanish channel another giveaway. Once we reach 250 subscribers, we are gonna do another giveaway for a Founders Pack. And we have another channel that is doing kind of the same giveaway, and that is Tribes Tech. Once he reaches 500 subscribers, he's gonna do a 2 Founders Pack giveaway. So go on to that channel and subscribe to that with him as well. And we have the Crypto Rookies getting money as well. They do giveaways weekly. And the only thing that you have to do is to enter to that channel and participate on the dynamics that they are doing right there. So those are the giveaways that are happening at the moment. There's a lot of Founders Pack that you actually can receive, and all together we are doing something close of $2,000 or $3,000 on only Founders Pack. I mean, you don't have to do anything else. Just subscribe, comment, follow, and maybe upload a creative creation from you. Because I mean, we are just on the verge of start the phase 2, and you won't be able to mint those packs anymore. So run, prepare, and do something amazing for us. So moving on into the next topic, actually let me pause this for a second. It is the state of the market and what is going on right now. Let's take a closer look to Bitcoin. As we can see on the 4 hour chart, we kind of have a downtrend triangle, and it seems that it's kind of trying to break out here. But what if we take a look to the daily chart? Actually, we have spoken about this several times. We were able to find support over this line, but we weren't able to sustain the momentum, and we had a pullback. And on the weekly chart, actually, which is the most important one that we need to see at the moment, we actually mentioned this several times. If we weren't able to break up the 50-week EMA, we will have this pullback that we are seeing right now, and it seems that it's happening at the moment. And what is the next support that we can expect? The next support is going to be right here on the 39, 38,000 levels with Bitcoin. And if we cannot hold that support, the next support is going to be something close to the 36,000 level. But in a general overview, we're in a good state because we have a higher low, and actually I expect from the technical perspective for us to be able to recover. But that is not the only thing that we have to pay attention, because there are a lot of things going on around the globe right now. And the most important one that we have to pay attention, that is the conflict between the United States, Russia, and Ukraine, because there's actually something going on. We already spoke about Putin having a call with Biden a couple of weeks ago, and as we actually read, they were saying that they weren't going to invade Ukraine. They want to actually pull out all the forces, all the troops that they have on that territory. For some reason, Biden actually thinks that Putin has decided to attack Ukraine in the coming days. And that is actually something that the investors are feeling, because they want to protect their investments. And there's right now they're taking safer positions. They want to actually have some cash at hand. And that's why we are seeing the pullback in the market. And we have another note here that the NATO chief says that Russia could invade Ukraine without any warning at all. So this is something that is actually escalating. Hopefully, this doesn't involve in a bigger conflict, and we can actually see some recovery in the market. That's what I'm expecting. And the other news that we can see that is affecting the market, it is that the Fed approved a rule from banning its official from trading stocks, bonds, and also cryptocurrencies. And this kind of makes sense because a lot of people that are in the government can have some insider trading information. So for me, this is something good, but this is a mixed. We have a lot of mixed feelings right now about the market. So a lot of investors are trying to take safer positions. So that is like what is going on with the geopolitical events, and what is going on from the technical perspective with Bitcoin. But what about Shiryo? What is going on with Shiryo? So Shiryo, right now it is doing really, really great. Obviously, we had this pullback. We got rejected from the 2200 level because the whole market is in a downtrend, as you already see here on Bitcoin. Let's take a look to coin market cap. The whole market is going down. This Shiryu has been performing really, really great because we have been on this accumulation zone for a really long time. And we haven't had these prices. The last time that we had these prices was something close to the November 5. So this is something really amazing. This is the perfect time for you to buy. Obviously, this is not a financial advice, but what I want to say is that we have a lot of catalysts incoming, as we already mentioned on this channel. And one of them is that in a couple of weeks, the phase 2 is going to start. And then we have the Crypto Dubai Expo. And then we have the Q4 on April. So I'm really saying that we're not going to be able to see the prices in the next couple of months. This is the best time for you to get some Shiryo tokens, or to get a founder's pack, or to get whatever you want. Because once we start the uptrend, you are not going to be able to see Shiryo at the 1700 level anymore. Again, this is not a financial advice. This is what I really feel. But I really hope that you do your own research, you investigate, and you get yourself informed, because this is the best investment, in my opinion, that you can get at the moment. So that is all that I have for today's video. I hope that you like it. If you have any questions, leave down a comment right down below, and see you until the next time.
On a Shiryu rocket, we pocket reflections, mint avatars to add to our collections.